How to fold a rose pocket square. You'll need 2 pocket squares. So with your red one, fold it over from a diamond in half, and then roll that all the way across. You can fold up the bottom, and you can grab something like a rubber band to hold this in place. Set that to the side, and with your second pocket square, fold the top corner down, lay your rose over that, slightly off center, and then you're going to fold that across and back over from both sides. You can tuck that in your pocket, and there is the rose fold.